So next, let's see how we could look at differences between two commits. So if we go back to our terminal window, if I do a git log, we could see there's 3 operations. What if I want to see the differences between the first and the second? So the way to do that is to git diff and then comparing the two. And now it shows the differences. What if I want to see all the changes between here, the first one, and to this third one? If I do a did give, well, I just do arrow up because I know that first one was the first one. Now I could just look at the second, and now I could see that it's deleting the file and all the differences. Let's see how we could create a branch. So remember, when we did git status before, we have this message on branch master. If you imagine Git as a tree, that you could have different branches, leaves, and so on. So now let's create a branch. Typically, this is done when we add a new feature, when we do a bug fix. So let's go ahead and create a branch called bug fix. So let's go ahead and do a git branch bug 1 fix. And now if I do git status, I'm still on git branch, on branch master. But if I do git branch, I could see there's now a master branch and there's a bug 1 fix. However, if you see that star, that means you're still on the master branch. So in order for you to start working in the bug 1 fix, you actually have to do a git checkout bug 1 fix. So now if I do a git status, actually I'm on the bug 1 fix branch. And if I do a git branch, I can see that now bug 1 fix is being highlighted. And because I have color coding on the terminal, now it's in green. So now I'm in bug 1 branch. So if I just go ahead and say, touch the file, file 1, and then if I say bug fix, yay, and go ahead and save that file. If I go to a git status, it's on track again. So let's add that file 1, git commit, branch bug 1 fix. Awesome. So if I do the git branch again, I'll see I'm still on bug 1 fix branch and I have that file 1. If I do a git checkout back into the master branch, switch to master, and there's no file 1. So what gives? This is actually a good feature of Git because once you check out to that branch, everything you do in that branch actually does not matter to the master branch. So this ensures safety while working on a feature or on a bug fix so that they're not impacted. So you would always have a master or a stable branch that your code lives on, and then you have these other developmental branches that's going on at the same time simultaneously. So how do we make that change back into master? That is when we need to use the merge. So the most intuitive way for me, at least, is actually to go. So if I do a git branch, you can see I am on the master branch. So the most intuitive way for me, and there are many ways to do this, is actually to go into the source branch that you want to merge that new branch in. In my example, is master. So I'm already at master. And if I just do git merge bug 1 fix, and now it's merging bug 1 fix into the master branch. If I look at ls and I could see file 1, if I do file 1, I could see that that was indeed what I made changes for the bug fix. And I say, yay.